Today we are going to create this effect with Photoshop. Let's begin. First things first, I'm going to make a copy of the layer. So simply you just click and drag to the plus icon. Then I unlock the one on top. Now the next thing, I'm going to go to select and choose subject. So I want to remove the background from the image. So now after selecting, we just click on mask to remove the background, as simple as that. So you don't need to be perfect. So I can now turn on back the layer below, and I want to apply a black and white filter. So then I have to make sure it is clip masked to the layer below. The next step, so I'm going to combine the filter and the layer below, then convert to smart object. So the next step, I'm going to get my marquee tool and draw in the middle of the image like so. So after drawing, I will hold Ctrl+J to make a copy on another layer or a new layer of that part that I've selected. Then I will go to filter, then blur, then I will choose motion blur, and I will go with 2, and distance I will go with 83. First I will go with 83 and click OK. So the next step, I'm going to duplicate it again. Simply click and hold, drag and drop to the plus icon to create a new layer. Go back to the filter, then blur, then choose motion blur. So this time round, I'm not going to change the angle. I'll go with like 469, the distance pixels. So the next step, I'm going to apply a gradient map. So simply click on the icon and go to the gradient. So you're going to follow the settings right here. So I had already made the gradient, so I'm not going to waste time making another one. So simply I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to show you the color codes that you will pick to select yours. So let me select my gradient that I had already prepared. So just click once, and the first one, that is the color code. You can copy it and use also that. There is a color gradient, and the next one, that is the color code, and the third one, that is, and then the last one should be black. So alright guys, so after that we are going just to clip mask that part to the layer below to make this nice looking effect. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to support my channel. Thank you. Peace.